Ever feel like you're in a battle against your own kitchen sink? You wash a dish, another dirty one appears. You turn on the faucet, and nothing. Just a slow gurgle and a rising tide of dishwater. Clogged drains are the worst. But hey, no worries. We've all been there. In fact, a clogged kitchen sink is a common household challenge. But instead of feeling defeated, let's turn you into a drain-decoding detective. This video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to solve the mystery of the clogged drain and get your kitchen flowing freely once again. Here are the 4 most common reasons why your kitchen sink is not draining. Reason number 1. The grease blockade. Over time, grease and food particles can build up inside your drain pipes, creating a sticky mess that traps other debris. To prevent the grease blockade from taking over, prevention is key. Invest in a trusty drain guard. These handy gadgets catch food scraps before they even enter the drain, saving you from a future plumbing showdown. We've linked some of our favorites in the description below. Reason number 2. The Mineral Menace. Living in a hard water area? You might be facing the Mineral Menace. Hard water leaves behind mineral deposits that can build up over time, restricting water flow and causing clogs. But there's a simple solution. A baking soda and vinegar solution is a natural way to break down those mineral deposits. The fizzing reaction is like a science experiment gone right for your pipes. Just remember to follow safety precautions. Reason number 3. The soap scum situation. The soap scum, also called lime soap, might be behind this clog. Soap scum can combine with other materials to form a stubborn blockage. For tougher clogs, a drain cleaner can be your helpful solution. But remember, these are powerful chemicals, so always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Reason 4. The garbage disposal gone rogue. Do you have a garbage disposal? If it's not functioning properly, it could be contributing to the clog. Jam blades or dull grinders can restrict water flow. If you suspect a jam disposal, consult your owner's manual for specific instructions on how to reset it. Remember, a well-maintained garbage disposal is a happy garbage disposal. Regularly grind ice cubes to keep the blade sharp and prevent future clogs. Solving the mystery, tools for the job. Now that we've identified the potential problems, let's gather our tools. Every plumbing detective needs a trusty arsenal. A plunger is your frontline weapon against basic clogs. For tougher clogs, a drain cleaner can be your secret weapon. And of course, don't forget a bucket to catch any spills. We've linked some of our recommended tools in the description below, so you can be fully equipped to tackle any clog. Using a plunger is all about technique. Here's a quick tutorial. Create a tight seal over the drain and plunge with forceful, controlled motions. Remember, it's not about brute strength. It's about creating pressure to dislodge the clog. Now, the drain cleaner is for very tough clogs. But remember, it should only be used as a last resort. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully, and be sure to wear safety glasses for protection. The glorious unclog and preventative measures. There you have it. The clog is defeated, and your kitchen sink is flowing freely once again. But remember, prevention is always better than cure. Here are some tips to keep those pesky clogs at bay. Regularly maintain your drain with a drain maintainer and grease treatment solution. Use a drain guard to catch food scraps. Be mindful of what you put down the drain. Coffee grounds, grease, and eggshells are all potential clog makers. For garbage disposals, grind ice cubes occasionally to keep the blade sharp. Congratulations! You've graduated from kitchen sink rookie to drain-decoding detective. We hope this video empowered you to tackle those pesky clogs with confidence. For links to the products mentioned in this video, check out the description below. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Consumer Roadmap, for more helpful DIY videos and tips to keep your home running smoothly. Thanks for watching.